Yeah, I'm live on Twitch, YouTube, and Kick.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, you're tall.
I am. Hi.
How tall are you?
I'm 6'8".
Wow.
You're tall enough that you're like in that hello friend height.
Yeah.
I'm threatened by it.
You feel so much taller than me, though.
6'3" guy.
You look gigantic compared to me.
You're
like,
just
that's
tall
how
enough
it feels.
that's rare.
Yeah, it just feels that way. Wow.
It's nice.
Wow.
Oh, you stream. Can I
Yeah, you want to know all that? I love talking about that tech.
I love it.
So, the Sony camera is HDMI and power going to my backpack. And then, I'll give you a little bit. Chad, hold on. Here,
I'll hold the camera up so
here's
they
what I'll
can
do.
see
We'll
us.
do this.
Ah, perfect.
They can watch us nerd out.
Oh, that's the best tripod.
There we go.
This is
That's
what a sweet sound.
So,
And what might be on there? Or is that
that's
just
Twitch.
that's Twitch? Okay.
So nothing here I invented or came up with. I only just,
Very humble.
I was able to put it together with a lot of help from other people, but you know, I've learned how to do it. So this is an Orange Pi 5 Plus.
Oh, I've never seen one in person.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
that runs all your transcoding and everything.
exactly. And what it also does is there's software on there called Belabox, and the Belabox bonds my modems.
Oh,
So if you have 20 SIM cards, it will bond them all and make a super signal. So right
Similar to
now,
what you were talking about?
Similar. So I do live stream elements as well. So we use Speedify with the Raspberry Pi.
oh yeah. This basically is like Speedify on like steroids. Like it just crushes
Does
it.
it need the Orange Pi to run it? Is this one of the
It
same
does,
Orange
yeah.
Pis?
Or
Okay.
you can
I was
do,
like, you either made it during the pandemic or you have it running really
It
fast.
started on Jetson Nano,
Okay, there we go.
but then he recoded it for the Pi. The
Wait, a
Pi
Jetson
is
Nano?
way
No, the
better.
Jetson Nano. That's
Yeah.
the Nano, the Jetson.
Yeah, there's a Jetson.
Or is that their default? Is it Jetson Nano or is that a small model?
No.
Sounds like it's just.
I don't know enough, but
Okay,
the
sorry.
Nano
Okay.
required a capture card, and this does not require a capture card. It's built in.
So that can transcode an HDMI input signal? Or no?
Yes, it takes the HDMI.
As
Also,
an HDMI input?
yes, you can do USB-C as well,
But
and you can
native on
also
the
do
board?
RTMP directly to it. So I could do from here Wi-Fi to it as well. You basically join the modem, and then you use that IP address as a live RTMP stream.
How did you choose to use HDMI out of that? Or was it just that had HDMI? That's what you were working with?
Well, this can only do that.
Okay, so that was it.
there's
Okay,
no-
okay. I was
And
just
this
curious.
camera is just like so easy.
Got
it
it.
just plugs and it
I
works.
used to have one of these,
Yeah.
but I had the crappier version.
Oh, okay.
The lens kept fogging up on the inside. I'm like,
This one and then the FDX, the 4K one, are like, those two are perfect. They're like, you just plug them in and they work. I started with a GoPro because I was like, let me be different. And it was just a nightmare for 3 months. And I was
Why?
like, all right, enough.
Why?
Well, when you plug it in, like all the on-screen displays are on. Like the battery, you have to like do
right.
these codes.
Got
I
it.
didn't.
Oh, so this does an output without
This
got
does
it.
nothing.
I see, got
Just
it.
plug it in and it works.
Okay, cool.
It's like the only thing that sucks about this is the form factor, the layout, and then nighttime's not great, but it doesn't vibrate like that one.
no, this one has rock
Which one is that
stabilization.
one?
No, this is the.
Is that the Osmo?
Yeah.
Okay, I just got the 08-4. Is it the 4?
No, this is like the first gen.
At nighttime, the 4 will do this vibration,
Really?
like because it's trying to. It just
Oh,
doesn't
like
do
it's
great.
like trying to
Yeah,
figure
it's
out the
trying to
exposure.
stabilize. It just doesn't do great.
Oh, okay.
This one's just dim, but it doesn't do any vibrating. So, but yeah, so this is the software that's running on it. I can see my modems. I have 4, but it looks like my phone probably went to sleep here because I have a phone I hotspot too. Let me just turn it back on.
Because I'm literally doing I do live streams on events, so I did make a central event. And I'm doing this one tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
So literally similar to you, but we're just streaming straight from my phone, just directly to YouTube.
Yeah, I mean, you could totally do that.
So when you say you can see your modems, how many modems are you using?
So I normally
Sorry,
have
that's a
4.
weird question.
No, that's
4 separate.
4 SIMs.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I do is,
Like external that plug into the Orange Pi? Or?
yeah, let me show you.
Thank you. Sorry, I'm interrupting.
No, I love doing this. So hold on.
You stream to all of them at the same time, or do you
Yeah.
pick whichever the best one is?
All 4 of them are bonding, and this thing is smart enough to know. So like 2500, 2900, 20. See, my 4th one just popped in.
Yeah.
So I have little Wi-Fi receivers here.
Okay.
And so these two, one's pulling from here, one's pulling from the phone, and then I have actual two USB modems. Well, one has an Ethernet, but the other one is USB direct. So there's no limit to the amount. Like I could put a hub on here and put like 15 Wi-Fis, and it would pull them all. But you'd have to, probably a power issue at some point.
So what are you using for power? Is it just
I have two batteries back here. I have the Pi on its own battery, and then everything else on the other battery. At one point, I used to put everything on one battery until it died, and I switched. Somebody was like, "Why are you doing that?" I was like, "Oh, I didn't know. I should do it differently." And so, like, ever since I did that, I get so much more time, and I never have to switch batteries. Like, these can go probably 14 hours without stopping. So right now we're at 7 hours and 48 minutes, and my batteries are at 59%.
Where are the modems? I'm just curious. I haven't seen.
Oh yeah,
Like,
let me just pull it out. Here, hold on.
just play everything out?
Yeah. Thank you.
The fact that you've got this on the whole board is so nice.
So this is like just USB only. This one's off because I actually canceled that plan. I had too many plans. I was like, I don't need 5.
Okay.
So this one just works by USB.
Got it.
Once the power kicks in, it's automatically connected. This one I have to power it on, and it's using Ethernet, but it also has Wi-Fi. This one is just like a mobile tethering hotspot going to here. Same from here. And that's it. That's the 4. And then this case is just a case I chose. Most people don't like these cases. Yeah, the grid boards are awesome. I love them.
So clever.
And then the batteries are over here, and then I have another battery that I use for like charging this while I'm out and about.
What was your resource for learning how to do all this? Like Reddit level or like?
No, so
I didn't know this was a thing until I saw your.
well, the origin is there's a guy named Gunrun. He invented this concept. He put that camera and like he did that, but he did it with a live view solo. That's the one that like the newscasters will use, which is like this but costs $1,000. I got one of those in the beginning, but it does RTMP only, which means the threshold for it dropping out is like 2,000 bit rate. This threshold, I can get down to like 500, which is like super low, and it still might hold. So anyway, that guy invented that thing, and other people, have done their own things. And I learned of the Belabox, which is the software that runs on this.
That was gonna be the next
and I just like tried to figure out how to like create it based on his videos, and but I did do the live view for a little while, and that was tough to figure out too. But it wasn't. The hardest part was getting like the stream stuff to work, like my alerts and
like your interface.
Yeah.
And that's just kind of like your GUI, right? Like that's.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, this app is somebody made this app. So basically,
So it's like,
I can track like events that happen on the stream. I can preview the stream. I can look at the Belabox.
God.
These are basically just like browser sources, web addresses.
Yeah.
And then, but like figuring out how to get. So if somebody does like a donation, an alert will play. But figuring out how to get the alert to play for them and not duplicate was like a whole thing. Like there are a lot of gatekeepers for information.
I believe
so it took a while. But yeah, once I got it,
So how long does it take you to like boot up everything?
Who are you guys, paid actors?
Oh, somebody asking
like
that?
Nobody would be interested.
Wait, that's people writing that right now?
Yeah, this is live.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
This is what I do.
I'm really overstimulated by
They're all
this.
going full nerd. I've never seen such a setup. Though very cool. Yeah. So they're watching.
Oh, that's amazing.
Mac is bonding. He found his people. Yeah. So they're watching.
So this is what format is that, or is that Twitch?
So this chat
Or
that I'm
Twitch,
seeing,
as I call it.
actually, this chat will show my YouTube, my clip,
Oh my God!
But they built it. This guy Wyver built this app. It's called StreamBuddy.
Good plug.
Yeah. I'll give you my card too. And I'm happy to share this after.
Yeah, here, let me just
well,
streaming right now. I didn't realize you were streaming right now.
Yeah, they're all just suffering through this tech talk.
It's fine.
So this app is StreamBuddy.
Thank you.
And it has like, gunrun.tv, belabox.net. Those demos of it too. And Wyver is the guy that built this app. There was another chat app, but nobody was developing it anymore. But it was the standard for a long time. And then a couple people came along and they're like, we'll make a new one and we'll do it better. And yeah. And we're on
much
YouTube.
delay. That's not much
it's
delay.
It's
at
like
all.
7 seconds.
Yeah, it's like way less than a YouTube stream.
This is, I love portable.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
What do you do for audio?
It's right there. Yeah, I did have
I didn't notice that.
the Rode mics. Yeah, the Rode mics on. I was doing that for interviews so they could hear a little better. But the batteries were about to run out and I was just about done with interviews, so yeah. Question?
So many. Okay, let's see.
There's batteries under here.
Why?
So, this is a USB modem. This one's using
pleasuring myself
Ethernet.
right now.
This is using mobile tethering to one of these little guys.
Okay.
And this is also mobile tethering to one of these guys. And then this device, called an Orange Pi 5 Plus, is running software called Belabox, and it's bonding the signal of all of them and making like a super signal. Here, you can see it in action right here. So,
I assume like different providers.
yeah. So AT&T, T-Mobile, and Visible. Now you might think, why do you have AT&T and AT&T? Why would you? Does that help? Yeah, it does actually. They're independent. They're different accounts.
That's so smart.
So it will bond them. And actually, it's not. I can't take credit for that. I'll also give credit to this guy named Beck, B3CK. He was doing that, and I was like, oh, he's using the same provider. I never thought that was a good idea. But why not? Like, if it's low and you have two of them, it's still doubling. So I started doing that.
What was the name of the?
Belabox.net is, yeah, here you go. Oh, that's,
Okay,
here,
that
just-
works.
Your one's coming to hunt us down.
This is exactly what I need for the
Yeah, go to
robot.
that site. And that, so that guy, his name is Rational Iron Rallies in London? I think he's in London.
Oh, there you go.
Or
Do
Liverpool.
you know him?
Right.
He, yeah, so he
Everybody
will
knows
walk
each
you through the
other.
whole process.
Thank you.
That's Jack. That's
Oh, is it tracking you?
That's Jack control.
No, it's 1,000 people screaming commands at it.
Jesus.
Twitch, TikTok, and YouTube. It reads the live stream chat.
Oh my god, they're attacking the camera?
Yeah. They are
Amazing. I'm gonna plug our channels. There we go. That's a free plug. That's the free plug.
Mellow_labs and Gears Code and Fire.
is
Nice.
made. Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah,
Thank
you can ping me.
Oh my god, it's great.
Are you guys? Where are you from?
New Jersey writes out New York.
Oh, okay.
And he's from
I'm local, San
London.
Francisco.
Oh, nice. No, we came down just for this one.
Oh, nice. Oh, I'll be in Rotterdam next Saturday. Which is, I mean, it's near you. Ish.
It's closer than LA is to San Francisco.
Yeah, there's actually a Twitch convention in Rotterdam.
I don't stream on Twitch, so
yeah.
I'm not that excited.
So I'm going there for that, and then
Yeah, I
a
just
week
said
in
I don't
Amsterdam.
like Twitch. Said it.
Nice.
Awesome.
That's really amazing. I
Are you
mean,
doing? Are you coming back tomorrow as well?
No, just today. Yeah, I'm gonna actually go back to San Francisco. There's a daytime rave in Union Square, so I'm gonna go stream that.
wow.
Is that all you do? You just stream events?
That's not my job,
Yeah.
but that's, I mean, yeah, when I'm streaming, I stream like once or twice a week.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do like, sometimes I go hiking, I'll stream that,
Nice.
or I geocache also.
Oh,
Yeah, so,
That's amazing.
and if I can get into an event like with a press pass, I'll do that, or sometimes I pay too, you know, depending on the event. Like there's another event here, the Dickens Fair that I came here for. So you dress up like a Dickens Christmas person, and
It's all.
that was pretty fun too.
It's hard to do Dickens without doing Christmas.
Yeah.
Are you guys into Dickens the way we are in London?
I don't know what that is.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like wait, but
Did
isn't
we
that?
appropriate that?
Wait, yeah, no, I know. I have
appropriated the
viewers.
shit out of you.
I have viewers that are like, I don't know what you guys are doing. He's like in England, like, no, this is you. We're doing you. This is old-timey you.
This is so cool. Thank you
Yeah,
so
what
much.
was your name?
My name's Dan.
Dan
Horrible with
and
names.
Thomas and
Joe.
Joe. Cool, yeah, hit me up.
Your setup's amazing.
Thank you, thank you.
And it's just, as somebody who controls his cameras in his shop with a bunch of toggle switches.
Oh, and also,
like
this is
mounted.
I'll show you something even better.
Yeah.
So we're on stream right now. This app also.
Drink the whole thing.
Yeah, go. Don't drink the whole thing. I did that for them. That's like a romantic way to do it. You don't do that. It's fucking hilarious. It's good. Yeah, be careful though. And then I can bring them back.
I just make my viewers listen to me pee.
People do that, yeah. But also, like, if I fell into a river with this whole setup, the server would automatically roll to those. Like, if my signal dies, like, here, watch. Like, if I turn this, if I turn that,
what's in your bag?
no, yeah, exactly. This is sending to my cloud server, which is relaying to Twitch.
Oh my.
So watch. CCK, he wrote this software that rolls back to the, it's called No Alps, which is like something, what does it mean? It's something like automatic, I don't know what it's called. I can't remember this. I'm not the smart guy here.
No, you put it together though.
Yeah.
So you understand enough to make it
Cool.
work. That's sick, man.
Yeah, so, and then when I travel, I do travel streams too. Like I just came back from Greece like 10 days ago. And I did a couple streams there while we're on vacation. And so when we're in Rotterdam, I'll be doing a stream a lot because it's TwitchCon. So kind of marathoning and yeah.
This is a new world to me.
Well, cool. Thanks for stopping me.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for joining.
I love talking about it. So cool. Yeah, hit me up. Any questions you need. Yeah. Oh, there's no line now. Perfect. Now we can go shoot.